All right, when you come to dividing fractions, the process here is just slightly different than what you have when you, when you divide. So here you go, 2/3 divided by 1/6. What this is saying is if you have 2/3, how many 1/6s can you pull out from there? From it. Here's the process you're going to go. You change division to multiplication. Okay, oops, I should make that my cursive X. And then you have to do something fancy to this 1/6. Kevin? Yeah, you switch it. This switching is called reciprocal. You want to make a reciprocal of 1/6. So the 6 goes above and the 1 goes on the bottom. You see that flip-flop that happened? What about the 2/3? Does that undergo the same process?
No.
That stays the same. Thank you for that. Now look, this is a multiplication problem. And so you just simply evaluate top times top. And then bottom times bottom. 12/3 is a mixed or improper fraction. So you divide. How many 3's are there in 12?
4.
Final answer is, when you divide 2/3, when you try and take 1/6 out of them, you end up taking it out 4 times perfectly. Okay, if this still doesn't make sense, take the idea of, if you have 12 and you want to pull out 6, how many times can you pull out 6's from 12? 2 times. So how many times can you pull out 1/6 from 2/3? You can do it 4 times exactly. Alrighty. Okay, now let's increase it. Let's make the level of difficulty slightly tougher. What if you've got the fraction 3 1/2 and you want to divide it by 1 1/8? You're going to rename, of course. Each of these mixed numbers are going to turn into their improper fractions. So the first term is 7/2, and the second one is 9/8. That's me renaming. Let me switch colors here. Now I'm going to apply those processes. I'm going to change division to multiplication. And then I do the reciprocal thingy, where the 8 goes up top and the 9's on the bottom. Don't get trigger happy and don't do it to everyone. The first term stays the same. Let me make your life a little simpler. Could I divide 2 and 8 by something? Divide them both by? And I end up with a 1 here and a 4 there. 7 times 4 is 28. I evaluate numerator, numerator, and denominator, denominator. Oh, my bad. 1 times 9. Improper fraction needs to change. So how many 9's are there in 28?
3.
3 of them, with how many remaining?
1.
With 1 remainder. Okay, then this makes the whole mixed number 3 1/9. Oops, that looks like a 2. Let me rewrite that. 3 1/9. Okay? That answer 3 1/9 means if you have 3 1/2 and you are trying to pull out from 3 1/2 groups of 1 1/8, you can do it 3 whole times, but you're going to have only 1/9 of a time left over. Okay?